Hello, my name is Perla. I'm a registered associate marriage and family therapist. I'm also the behavioral consultation model clinician for Center for Human Services. And today's video is to learn about our brains and how to become self-aware of our emotions. So let's get started. So our brain is divided into our left brain and our right brain. So our left brain functions with our analytical thoughts, our logic, language, reasoning. This is where we can use science and math, our written language, number skills, and our right hand control. Our right brain functions are our art awareness, our creativity, our imagination, our intuition, our insight, holistic thought, our musical awareness, and 3D form. This is where our left hand control is at as well. Our right brain functions is very nonverbal, so this is where we express our emotions without using words. So our brains are also like a house. So think of your brain as a downstairs and an upstairs. So similar like to a two-story house. So I'm going to invite you to have your hand out. So this is our hand model of our brain. This is not exactly our brain, but this is very helpful for us to become aware of our emotions. So when we close our fist like this is the cerebral cortex. So this is where our prefrontal cortex is at. This is our upstairs brain. So this is where we make sound decisions and planning. We have control over our emotions and our body. We're self-understanding. This is where empathy comes from, and our morality, so our moral compass. When you open your hand, your thumb, you're going to close it just like this. So this is our limbic region. So this is where our amygdala and our hippocampus is at. So this is our downstairs brain where our breathing, blinking, and reactions and impulses come from. So this is known as our fight, flight, and freeze reactions. This is also the oldest part of our brain. When you open it, is our reptilian brain. So we also have our brainstem here that connects to our spinal cord back there. So when our upstairs and our downstairs are working together, we're able to function about our day. So we're able to communicate, and we have our logic, our socializing, and our reasoning. However, when we have a strong emotion, sometimes we might not be able to communicate, or we might not be able to calm down. So this is called flipping our lid. So what happens when you flip your lid? It's when our amygdala is engaged. So our big emotions arrive, like our anger, our fear, anxiety, and sadness. We're unable to make good decisions. When our prefrontal cortex is engaged, so this part of the brain, we are calm. We have rational thoughts. We're able to make good decisions. And the thing about our prefrontal cortex is that it's a work in progress. So our brains are not fully developed until we reach adulthood. So generally, the prefrontal cortex is still developing, and it stops developing about around 25 to 30 years old of age. So now that you have an idea of what your brain is and how it functions, where is your brain today? Are you thinking brain? So are you using your upstairs brain? You're ready to learn? Are you maybe in that yellow zone where you might flip your lid, but you still have some emotions? Or did you already flip your lid and you're using your downstairs brain? So this is where you can help. This can help you become aware of your emotions. And I hope that this video was helpful for you to understand a little bit about how your brain works.